Welcome. Today, we're demystifying artificial intelligence. While AI might feel like a brand new invention, its roots actually go back decades. In this video, we'll travel from the first thinking machines of the 1950s to the massive AI revolution happening right now in 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a total beginner, you'll leave with a clear understanding of how AI works and why it's fundamentally changing the world we live in. What is AI? It is a field of computer science creating smart machines that perform tasks requiring human intelligence, like learning and reasoning. AI systems learn from massive data to make predictions and decisions without explicit programming. You see it daily in navigation apps, recommendations, and virtual assistants. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions mimicking human intelligence. It allows computers to solve problems, understand language, and recognize faces. AI is a powerful tool designed to automate tasks, analyze data, and provide new insights, making life easier and more efficient. The history of AI spans decades. Early foundations were laid in the 1940s and 50s. The term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Workshop in 1956. The 60s and 70s saw the development of, quote, expert systems. Later, the 80s brought the re-emergence of neural networks. The conceptual seeds of AI were planted in the 1940s and 50s with Alan Turing's Turing test. The official birth of AI as an academic discipline occurred at the 1956 Dartmouth Summer Research Project, where the term was coined. Early successes like the Eliza chatbot were followed by AI winters, periods of reduced funding. A revival occurred from the 1980s to the 2000s, with milestones like IBM's Deep Blue. The modern AI boom began in the 2010s, driven by deep learning, increased computing power, and vast datasets. AI revolution is marked by widespread adoption of technologies like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. A key innovation is generative AI, which creates new content like text and images. AI is integrated into our daily lives, shaping our world. In healthcare, it assists with diagnosis and drug discovery. In finance, it detects fraud and automates trading. Smart assistants use AI to understand commands, and it makes transportation safer and more efficient. AI also delivers personalized experiences, powering streaming service recommendations and tailoring social media feeds. In education, AI tools offer personalized learning paths and language translation, making learning more accessible and effective. The impact of AI is far-reaching. Socially, it advances healthcare but raises ethical concerns about job displacement. Economically, it boosts productivity and creates new industries. Technologically, it accelerates scientific discovery and pushes the boundaries of automation. To summarize, AI is machine intelligence that performs human-like tasks. It has a rich history leading to today's revolution and is now ubiquitous, powering everyday technologies. Its profound impact is reshaping industries, economies, and societies. AI is not merely a technological trend. It is a fundamental shift in how we live and work. Understanding AI empowers you to be an active participant in shaping the future of this era. As we've seen, artificial intelligence isn't just a trend. It's a historical shift that is redefining what's possible. We've come a long way from the first thinking machines of the 1950s, and the revolution we're witnessing in 2025 is just the beginning.